Hi, everybody, and you're very welcome along to our next installment of our Keep It Simple series all about property. So, today I just want to touch on a question I often get asked is around property management. And people will say to me, clients will say, God, and I've just bought a new property. I just want to kind of manage it myself. So, if you've got the time, I would say if you have the time, the energy, and the resources, the knowledge, then you can most likely manage the property yourself. But there is so much more to property management that you need to ask yourself. You really need to ask yourself the following questions before you take it on. So, firstly, do I have the time to manage the property? Secondly, am I confident about the Irish tenancy laws and compliance? And there's a lot in them. Can I handle conflict, tenant complaints, or maintenance issues? And do I want to avoid the stress really of managing the property myself? So if we look at the benefits, let's look at the benefits of using a property management agent to look after your property. So firstly, it saves time. Any tenant sourcing, you've got rent collection, maintenance, any tenant queries or issues that are looked after by the managing agent. I suppose you could say we have legal expertise in the sense that we will ensure, or an agent will ensure, that you're compliant with Irish legislation, RTB, the Regulatory Tenancies Board regulations or PZ rules, and thus that reduces your legal risks. Also, in efficient tenant management, the the property agent will screen tenants thoroughly and effectively, make sure, and also obviously markets properties and make sure that you don't have any void periods. And then the maintenance support is huge as part of property management. The property management agent will have a reliable team of tradespeople or contractors for cost-effective repairs and regular property inspections. Inspections are critical when you're managing the property. It'll fall into disrepair very quickly if it's not looked after. So also rent and dispute management. So the property manager agent ensures that rent is paid on time, will handle any arrears, and if there are any disputes, they will mediate in disputes and will represent any landlord, and the RTB at the RTB hearings. And then market insights are really important. The property manager will advise on any appropriate rent levels to maximise your rent while you're still staying compliant with legislation, and basically reduces stress. At the end of the day, basically, the agent will take over all the day-to-day operations associated with managing the property or tenant issues, any unexpected risks or challenges. So just to let you know that we've been providing a comprehensive property management service for many years here at Connolly Estate Agent. And from experience, I know that we offer a very valuable service to our landlords. They're extremely grateful to have their property maintained and managed in a professional and efficient manner, I should say. So thanks for listening.